Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily integrate Australian Post in Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to your admin page, then just make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account. Then next is just click on apps. And from here, just type in plugin Hive. Then click on Search Plugin Hive in Shopify App Store. From the list of apps, just click on this Plugin Hive Australia Post Ship. Then click on Install. You will be then asked to accept the agreement and permissions. Then just click on Install. So from here, you will be asked to choose a payment method, whether through PayPal or you can also add a credit or debit card. Just enter your card details and you're going to have to pay $19 every 30 days as part of the subscription. Then once done, just click on approve. And from there, you will be able to access Australia Post services and features directly to Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!